different ways we can earn money online, and watching ads is one of those ways. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually earn money online by watching ads through a platform that I'm going to show you in the course of this particular video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Online Cash Craft. What we do here is to show how you can earn money online using different platforms that we talk about on this particular platform. If today is your very first time of coming across my page, thank you so much. You're welcome. And if you've been here before, you decided to come back and watch this video, thank you. I appreciate your time. So like I said in today's video, I'm going to take you step by step and show you how you can earn money online by watching ads. I'm going to show you the name of the platform in the course of the video, show you how you can go about it and how you can cash out. Many people are actually cashing out using this particular format that I'm going to reveal to you today. So grab a drink, sit tight, and let's go through this journey together. Now, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to take you straight and show you step by step how all of this that I had said can be achieved. The platform that you're going to use to do this is called PCT Share. PTC Share simply means pay per click and revenue, whereby you click ads, you watch them, and you get paid revenue. Not only would you get paid by watching paid ads, you also get paid by completing some tasks on the platform. Those multiple tasks that you're going to complete on the platform will help you to earn a lot of earnings inside this particular platform. Okay guys, so this is PCT Share and this is how their platform looks like. Now if you click on where it says create an account and start earning, you click on register. This is how you're going to register on the platform. On the left hand side it says sign up, so if you click on that you would have signed up to the platform. Now if you check, it says last 48-hour top earners. These people here, these users here, they are the top 48 hours. Top earners for the last 48 hours. You can see their country flags, meaning that people have been earning on this platform from so many parts of the world. Yes, and you can also see the amount they've earned, the time, and all of that. So this is payment proof, and this page shows cash out made in the last 31 days only. Right, so if you check the payment proof, you can actually tell that real people in real time are earning using this platform, and they are encouraging you to send your payment proof so that people will actually know. And when you do that, they're gonna pay you. You're gonna have 20 BAP added to your wallet. Right now, they have different methods in which they can pay you your money. One of those methods is payer. You can see there, it is there. And the amount that people had earned is also there. They have perfect money as well as one of the payment methods that they use. And they also have Litecoin as well. So at the end of the day, depend on you which payment method that suits you and is acceptable where you are. Now, the amount that people had earned is there, $7.7199, and the date is there, the time is there. So this is real time. It's not made up, guys. So when I tell you that you can actually earn using this particular format and this platform, you can agree with me that this is real and people are getting money with this. Right, so this one, you can see the date is on the 16th of March 2024, and yeah, so this is it, guys. If you want to sign up, just go ahead and you click on sign up. If you have signed up before, you click on login and you would have logged into the platform and you start earning. Now it says PTC Share is more than just a paid to click. tons of ways to earn money for free. So you will definitely be earning money for free using this platform, right? Don't forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel because I drop this kind of videos all the time. Now, the users that have registered, they have 771,225 registered users. And the members that have cashed out, you know, there are platforms that you would register, but cashing out is a problem. But with this PCT share, up to $226,179.44 has been cashed out by members, guys, right? And now the other one says members that have earned all time, up to 595,295 had cashed out. And just yesterday, as you can see it there, 3,876 plus 3.876470 yesterday. So you can agree with me that this platform is a must try. Just go ahead, sign up, and and start earning. This is one of those platforms that you need to sign up. Now, this platform, let me quickly say that it is secure, right? It is secure. You click on sign, register, and you register. It is secure. Our website is supported by a high quality secure system, which makes sure all your information remains safe. You can see secure, transparent, and sustainable. It is also sustainable, guys. So this is, why not sign up? This is a good platform to earn money. So when I say it is a good platform to earn money, I know what I'm talking about. It is good to earn money. It is sustainable, right? And you earn money online in just a few minutes. It doesn't take ages. It's just a few steps, like you have seen with the steps I've shown you. It takes just a few steps for you to start earning money using this platform. So here it says earn money online in just a few minutes. As you can see, join us now. Join us now and start earning. There are different ways you can earn money online. I've done a couple of videos in the past on how you can earn money online, and this one is a must try. Just give this a go and see, right? Remember, this is a side hustle. It's not going to make you a millionaire or a billionaire, but it is worth giving a go to earn something by the side. That is why it's called side hustle. So you use this to augment whatever you are getting at the moment. So when you get to the point where you think this is okay to become your main hustle, then you make it your main hustle. Okay, so these are the payment platforms you can use, and then create a free account. So to create an account on this platform is free. They use Perfect Money, they use Payer. So now the question is, how does this platform work? So the PTC share allows you to generate income on the platform through the display of advertising announcements as in paid ads to obtain more BAP points on the platform. The BAP points you're going to earn will be by purchasing ad packages to increase your advertising campaigns. This is what the BAP does. It's available worldwide. Irrespective of where you are, you can be a part of this. Now, what is their minimum payment? As little as $1, you can withdraw your money using the available payment options that they have on the platform. Also, referral program on this particular platform. The referral program, you get paid up to 7% for each purchase of ads that your referral had done. And for every ad they view, you are going to be paid 3% of that ad they had viewed. When it comes to registration, if you want to be a part of this amazing platform, how can you go ahead to register? What you do is you just go to the platform and you click where it says sign up. Now you're going to select a username. The username is going to be numbers that you're just going to select, not letters but numbers. Add your email address, create your password, and you sign up to the platform. But do not forget to go back to the email that you have submitted and confirm or authenticate that particular email. And the moment you authenticate the email, you are good to go. How do you earn money using this platform? You earn money in different ways. Number one is by viewing ads on the platform. And the way you go about this is when you get to the platform, the dashboard, after you had signed in, you click on Earn, the place that says Earn, and then you're gonna select View Ads and click Grid. So these two are the ones you're going to select to start earning money. So when you click on the View Ads, this is the section where you're going to earn BAP points. You can also view money ads on this particular section and even complete offers. Somebody might ask, what actually is BAP? BAPs are basically points that correspond to money. So when you earn BAP points, they correspond to cash. But then a good example is if you earn up to 10,000 BAP points, that equals to $5. So we click Grid, you have to click on each of the boxes to view the ads on those boxes, and those ads will be from 5 seconds to 30 seconds. So how do you cash out? When it comes to PTC share, you cash out by using the payment methods they have on the platform. There are so many payment options they have. So what you do is you click on cash out, select how much that you want to send and to what payment method do you want to use. Now you have to insert your date of birth and click on submit. This is how you cash out from the platform. So let me quickly say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do give me a subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this particular video, and do click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any video, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, and that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. If you have any comment, please leave it in the comment section. And if there's any topic you want to be treated on this channel, please put it in the comment section. Once again, thank you.